Well, guys, I'm back with another video. Today I got a cousin, Super Luigi Jesse. Today, we're showing you how to fix a plushie.
Well, and plus we're going to show you how to sew as well.
Yeah.
So first thing you want to do, you get whatever thread you want, and you gotta do this here. I already got started on making my knots, but you gotta do this here. You can do it 3 or 4 times or twice and do this here and it'll get fixed like that. Then you just grab your needle and here's what you do. Now if this plush here, I don't know if I'll do it like this. I'm thinking about doing it this way, but there's too much stuff, and so I guess I'll just do it like this. Now this is my other cousin's plush, it's Bella's, and I'm fixing it for,
Yep.
I fix a whole bunch of stuff to make my own creations, which are pretty creepy looking.
What about this one?
Oh yeah, he's gonna be a fugly.
That's mine. Guys, we're gonna do a separate video about this. It's a fugler. He's gonna turn him into a fugler. Right?
Yep. And the fugglers are gonna be put in that video.
Yeah.
You accidentally paused that, it's alright.
Yeah.
Now, if your stuffed animal's got a whole bunch of stuffing in it, just do it like this. Even though it'll leave a seam out, it's fine still. And if you make your own stuffed animal, you better make it big so you can fold it inside outwards, not small. But if it's a hat, you can do that with it. Just fold it inside outwards. Come on, Dad, playing you. There we go. Oh. Why are you accidentally pausing it? Dang.
Because.
I'm gonna fix this spot right here up. It's all messed up. Darn it, got caught by his leg.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have this problem because of the stuffed animal's legs. The dog sounds weird.
Yeah. It's our cousin, neighbors.
You got a real bad speech impediment like me,
Yeah, I know.
which is something we all can't help.
Yeah. What about, stutter?
I do that a lot.
Me too. Well, I don't do it a lot, but I still do it sometimes.
If I get around a girl and do it,
Yeah.
I do it real badly because which is no
I know, I do it all the time.
What kind of stuff is this anyway? The stuff it's made out of? Fabric or what?
I think it's fabric.
I know it's fabric, but what kind exactly though?
I don't know. You're gonna have to ask. Maybe Bella would know that.
I use felt, and felt will get all stringy and stuff. Well, by rubbing it, it'll get all weird looking.
Yeah.
Kind of like it'll get fuzz balls on it, which is something I completely hate. Yeah, he looks weird already just by that, but it's fine.
Oh.
What, Belle? Ow. Just pricked myself.
Oof.
Now I'm almost done with the operation. What's he got on him exactly?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind, it's that cup.
Yeah.
It's the cuppy wuppy.
Had nails in it. Nails.
Darn it. He's almost fixed.
Yeah. Talking to Bella. Guys.
Stick that through your pants.
Bella.
Pause it for 1 minute. I gotta go.
You should make your own crafts and sell them when you go to the flea market, Jesse.
I don't know. Right. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Sometimes you can have difficulty out of the skies, but it's fine. I have it all the time.
Yeah.
If you got any other stuffed animals you need me to fix, well, this is your chance for me to fix them.
Me?
Here.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Thought you were talking to them.
What?